Ever wondered how to clean and polish your car headlights at home? The process is simpler than you might think and can bring a new lease of life to your vehicle's appearance, not to mention the improved road safety that comes with clear, bright headlights. First off, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need soft cloths, water, mild soap, a plastic polishing compound, and protective wax. Start the process by cleaning the headlights. Rinse them with water to remove any loose dirt and dust. Next, prepare a soapy solution using your mild soap and water. Gently wash the headlights with this mixture, being careful not to apply too much pressure to prevent surface damage. Thoroughly rinse the headlights with clean water and dry them using a soft cloth. Now it's time to polish. Apply a small amount of plastic polishing compound to a soft cloth or applicator. Begin polishing on a small section of the headlight using circular motions. This process should help to remove any stains, haziness, and minor scratches that have accumulated over time. Continue to polish the entire headlight surface, reapplying the polishing compound as needed. Once you've finished, wipe the headlights with a clean cloth to remove any excess compound. After polishing, consider applying a protective wax to the headlights. This will help to maintain their shine and protect the surface from the elements. Apply a small amount of wax to a soft cloth and evenly spread it over the headlight surface. A few recommendations to keep in mind. It's a good idea to clean and polish your headlights regularly to prevent dirt buildup and hazing. Avoid using aggressive chemical agents that might damage the plastic of the headlights. If your headlights have more severe haziness and scratches, you might want to consider using specialized headlight restoration kits. And finally, after polishing and waxing the headlights, make sure the surface is completely dry before using the car. This way, you'll avoid smudging the polish onto the car's body. By following these steps and recommendations, you can easily clean and polish your car headlights, improving their appearance and ensuring your safety on the road. It's a simple process that can make a world of difference to your vehicle's look and functionality. Remember, maintenance is key to keeping your vehicle in tip-top shape, and that includes taking care of your headlights. But the journey doesn't stop here. We've got a lot more tips and tricks to share with you on car maintenance. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more informative and practical videos that will help you become a car care pro. From engine checks to tire maintenance and everything in between, we've got you covered. So buckle up and let's continue this journey together.